Ready to discover the world's most breathtaking cruise destinations? Picture yourself exploring hidden islands, tasting exotic foods, and waking up to a new adventure every day. This is not your average vacation. This is the ultimate cruise journey of 2025. Imagine waking up to glacier views in Alaska, snorkeling in crystal clear waters of Bora Bora, or wandering ancient streets in Rome. In 2025, cruise lines are offering incredible itineraries. But with so many options, how do you choose? We're ranking the top 10 cruise destinations for 2025 based on beauty, value, and real traveler feedback. This is Forever Diverse Journeys, and this is your guide to cruising smarter in 2025. Let's jump in. Number 10. The Bahamas and Perfect Day at CocoCay. Royal Caribbean's exclusive port is like a Caribbean amusement park meets luxury beach club. Enjoy the thrill of Daredevil's Peak, the tallest water slide in North America, or relax in a private overwater cabana. Snorkel with tropical fish, float down the lazy river, or sip a cocktail at the swim-up bar. With activities for all ages, this port is perfect for families and adventure seekers alike. Pros: family-friendly, lots of activities, beautiful beaches, exclusive experiences at CocoCay. Cons: can be crowded, some activities cost extra, less cultural immersion than other ports. Thrilling water slides, zip lines, and tons of free activities make this perfect for families. Number 9. Alaska's Glacier Bay and Inside Passage. This isn't just a cruise, it's a bucket list expedition with towering glaciers and wildlife. Sail past massive icebergs, watch for bald eagles soaring overhead, and listen to the thunderous crack of calving glaciers. Take a guided hike through lush rainforests, try your hand at dog sledding, or join a whale watching tour for a chance to see humpbacks and orcas up close. Pros: stunning natural scenery, unique wildlife, adventure excursions like dog sledding and glacier hiking. Cons: weather can be unpredictable, excursions can be expensive, limited nightlife. Humpback whale sightings, dog sledding, and glacier hiking create unforgettable memories for nature lovers. Number 8. The Mediterranean. Walk through history in Rome and Athens while feasting on authentic cuisine from Greek islands to the French Riviera. Explore the Colosseum in Rome, marvel at the Acropolis in Athens, and stroll through the charming streets of Santorini. Savor local wines in Provence, enjoy fresh seafood in Mykonos, and relax on the sun-soaked beaches of the French Riviera. Each port offers a unique blend of culture, history, and breathtaking scenery, making every stop a new adventure. Pros: rich history, diverse cultures, amazing food, many iconic cities. Cons: busy ports, can be hot in summer, some destinations are expensive. Ancient ruins, local markets, and diverse ports make every day a new adventure. Number 7. Southern Caribbean islands like Aruba and Curaçao offer colourful architecture and pristine diving spots with fewer crowds. Wander through pastel-hued streets, sample local delicacies like 𝗟ощ and discover hidden beaches. Dive into crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life, or explore ancient caves and natural pools. These islands are a paradise for both relaxation and adventure. Pros: colourful towns, great diving and snorkeling, fewer crowds, relaxed vibe. Cons: some islands are less developed, limited shopping, can be humid. Crystal clear waters, perfect for snorkeling and diving, make these islands a hidden gem. Number 6. Norwegian fjords. Cruise between towering cliffs and gushing waterfalls in 𝗟𝗄𝗃 for stunning natural beauty. Visit charming villages like 𝗟𝗏 and 𝗟𝗏. Hike scenic trails with panoramic views and experience the midnight sun. Sample traditional Norwegian cuisine and immerse yourself in Viking history along the way. Pros: dramatic landscapes, peaceful villages, unique daylight hours in summer. Cons: Weather can be chilly, limited nightlife, higher prices for excursions. Charming fishing villages offer unique cultural experiences in one of the world's most scenic regions. Number 5. Western Europe cruises through Portugal, France, and the UK offer wine tasting, historic castles, and incredible cuisine. Explore the vineyards of Bordeaux, tour the fairy tale castles of the Loire Valley, and stroll along the River Thames in London. Enjoy fresh pastries in Lisbon, visit world-class museums in Paris, and discover the rich history of Edinburgh. Pros: multiple countries in one trip, rich history, world-class cuisine. Cons: busy tourist spots, can be expensive, weather varies by region. Perfect for culture seekers wanting to explore multiple countries with rich history and architecture. Number 4. Eastern Caribbean classics like St. Martin and the Virgin Islands offer perfect beaches and exciting excursions. Relax on powdery white sands, snorkel in vibrant coral reefs, and shop in bustling local markets. Try zip-lining through lush rainforests, take a catamaran cruise, or explore historic forts and lighthouses. Pros: beautiful beaches, fun excursions, vibrant local culture. Cons: hurricane season risk, some ports are crowded, touristy in places. Ziplining, ATV tours, and sailing adventures make this region ideal for both relaxation and adventure. Number 3. Antarctica, the final frontier. This expedition cruise offers wildlife encounters and jaw-dropping icebergs few people will ever experience. Kayak among floating ice, visit research stations, and witness colonies of penguins and seals. The untouched beauty and extreme landscapes make this a once-in-a-lifetime journey. Pros: once-in-a-lifetime adventure, incredible wildlife, untouched scenery. Cons: expensive, cold weather, limited amenities, strict environmental rules. Penguins, seals, and whales in their natural habitat create once-in-a-lifetime moments. Number 2. Japan and Southeast Asia. From neon-lit Tokyo to tranquil Thai temples, this region offers incredible culture and world-class food. Experience cherry blossom season in Japan, explore ancient temples in Cambodia, and sample street food in Bangkok. Cruise through Halong Bay's limestone islands and discover the vibrant markets of Ho Chi Minh City. Pros: fascinating culture, delicious food, diverse destinations, great shopping. Cons: language barrier in some areas, humid climate, busy cities. Street food markets, cherry blossoms, and festival cruises create immersive cultural experiences. Number 1. The South Pacific. Bora Bora, Tahiti, and Fiji represent paradise redefined with turquoise lagoons and volcanic mountains. Swim with manta rays, relax in overwater bungalows, and immerse yourself in Polynesian culture. Enjoy traditional dance performances, savor fresh tropical fruits, and hike to breathtaking viewpoints for unforgettable sunsets. Pros: stunning scenery, romantic resorts, unique Polynesian culture. Cons: long travel times, expensive resorts, limited nightlife. Overwater bungalows, Polynesian culture, and unreal scenery make this the ultimate romantic escape. So there you have it, our top 10 cruise destinations for 2025. Let us know which destination tops your bucket list in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel tips from forever diverse journeys. Until next time, happy sailing.